Sorry, everybody just wants to make noise around me, and I get very irritated when people make noise. I swear to God, I can't wait to move out. Honest to God. Yeah, I'm in a very good mood, as you can tell. Is this a joke? I feel great. Hi, today is the 7th day of Fast Like a Girl, and the sun is finally out, so we should celebrate. I have been doing 17 hours intermittent fasting. Yesterday I ended up doing 16, and I can actually see my appetite is increasing a little bit. But what I've noticed is yesterday when I ate food, I felt as though I overate, and I was watching another video Dr. Mindy posted in which she said that she talks about how you come to know if you're in ketosis, and one of the signs is that you loss of hunger and your brain fog goes away, and this actually happens after a certain point during this fast. Sorry, everybody just wants to make noise around me, and I get very irritated when people make noise. I swear to God, I can't wait to move out. Honest to God. Yeah, I'm in a very good mood, as you can tell. Is this a joke? Honest to God, everybody's so loud. Okay, we're gonna get back to this. It's just gonna take 2 minutes. So, I feel as though after I ate yesterday, I did overeat, and now what has happened is I don't feel so good if I eat too much. So I want to make sure that I don't do that today, that I eat as much as I feel like eating and not overeat just for the sake of it. I'm going to work out today. I couldn't do my cardio yesterday, it was a little difficult. So today I'm just going to go walk on the treadmill for a bit. I'll see if I can do that, otherwise I'll just go to the gym and stretch a little bit and maybe strength train a little. And my skin has cleared out a lot, as I told you guys yesterday. I've got this one pimple here, but that's not because of my gut health. So I watched this video in which they said that if you get acne here, it's your gut or hormone imbalance. So I think mine was hormone imbalance, and a little bit of, not gut so much, it was just hormone imbalance. Over here it's when your hair, you need to wash your hair. So I'm going to wash my hair today, and that should clear out. I think I'm going to do a video on how to clear your acne too, and because there are some things that now I know 100% do work, and you have to do it, there's no shortcuts. And I want to go work out. What did I want to tell you guys? Yeah, so from day 10 to 15 is when hormone feasting begins. I'm going to see how I feel today. I think I'm going to start a bit of that now. Let's see. And that's all. I'll see you guys at the gym. A few more things I'd like to let you guys know. When it comes to recipes, what has helped me with this process, since it's almost a week, I think I am at a place where I can tell you guys what helps. So I feel as though when it comes to Desi Indian recipes, paneer is your savior if you're vegetarian. Chickpea, flour, atta, chole, all that is again a good go-to. Even the seed cycle brownies are a great dessert. You just make them and then you can, I think it lasts for up to a week. I'm also going to try almond flour next because for brownies I've seen that also works, and it would still not, it would still be keto, so that's great. In the next phase I can eat oats and stuff. I think I'm going to check, so then I'll make brownies with that. And what else? So besan chilla works and moong dal chillas work. Moong dal chillas is really good, and just anything with paneer. What I've found easy to do is just have spinach with paneer. The next, I'm actually really excited for the next phase, which is the 10 to 15 day phase, because in that I'm supposed to eat sweet potatoes and berries and stuff. I think I can eat berries now also, so I'm going to figure that out. But when it comes to recipes, I feel if you have 5 go-to recipes, then you don't have to wake up and think, what am I going to eat? Because that is what can be a little stressful and intimidating more than stressful. So paneer bhurji works, then paneer on top of your chillas work, then what else? I'm just thinking. I have 3-4 things I know that I can do, so that's what's helped. I think I'll do a video on recipes at the end of this month, because then I'll have a better idea of what all actually works. I'm just thinking dal works. Dal is the best thing. I guess that's about it. There's chilla, spinach with paneer, paneer bhurji, dal, chole, and when it comes to dessert, chickpeas mousse, chocolate mousse, and the seed cycle brownies. So that's that. It's time to go to the gym and work out. Would it be better if I spoke with this volume? Because my normal voice is not like that. This is the outfit. Let me show you guys. I definitely feel as though my stomach is getting flatter. Everything good. Stepping out. And meditation. It's so nice. Birds chirping in the morning. Everything is outside, there's ants and insects, but it's okay. This is the best thing to sit outside. I'm going to sit under this tree for a while, as usual. That should count for something. Time to go to the temple. I think it's 9 a.m. It is 9. So I'm actually going to try to fast a little longer today. Every time I say that, I don't though. So let's see. This is the outfit. Orange color. This is orange in my head because Hanumanji likes orange color. That's all there is to it. I'm going now so that it's not raining later and then I can't go. That walk did get me really tired. I feel hungry. I don't know if I'm hungry or I'm thirsty. I can eat a nut butter because a nut butter is allowed during fasting. Coffee is allowed, and lemon water. All these things are allowed. So I want to figure out how I feel once I'm home. That's the update.